brand new today, gorgeous, figure eight, modern crystal earrings add that perfect missing touch to your bridal look and can be worn with any gold tiara. For example, this beautiful design that I absolutely adore, very beautiful princess crown that actually goes really well with these stunning figure eight earrings. Let me know if what you think in the comments below. And if you have any questions, if you would like us to help you to create a look that truly makes you feel confident on the inside and shine on the outside, then get in touch with us at My Soulmate Wedding on Etsy, and we'll be thrilled to assist you if you have any questions. The links are in the comments below, so take a look. Contact us via the shop on Etsy, and we'll do everything in our power to help you create a look that makes you feel like a goddess on your big day. For me, this is totally the winning look. I love anything to do with gold these days. I used to be very much a silver kind of girl, but now I upgraded to gold. So if gold is your metal, if gold is your color for your wedding day, we have plenty of gorgeous pearl and crystal, exquisite art deco headpieces or modern minimalist headpieces in our collection that might be of interest to you. So get in touch. Let us know what you need help with, and we'll do everything in our power to make it just perfect for you. Sending you so much love.